So here we are going to unbox the daraz where I have just ordered from daraz online shop. So this is the I'm going to unbox the first unboxing of the daraz service online store. Okay, so this is I have ordered carbon power bank 10,500 mAh. This is that. So I have ordered this and this is okay, but the seal is here, it's open. I don't know why, but it's open. The back side it's fully locked. So now I'm going to unbox it. So what's inside, I don't know about that. So let's hope there must be the power bank. So this is, it's not coming bills. Oh yeah, I have got it. So now it's not coming, so I have to apply more force. Oh, it's really too tough. Oh, I see, this will be coming. Okay, so this is 10,500 mAh power bank and this is rating output 2.1 ampere. So now this is I'm going to open. Where is the button? I don't know where. Oh yeah, it's open, and the torch light is also it's open. So I'm going to switch off the power bank. Oh, it's working. So this is the unboxing about the daraz, and I have ordered this daraz from online store. So this is power bank, it's real. So it's the service of daraz is it's quite good, I like it. So again I'm going to unbox I have ordered a medium size cotton fleece pullover fleece, gray pullover hoodie. So I'm going to see what's inside. So take this. Oh yeah, it's the hoodie. So I don't know what's the size, it's written medium size. So actually it is nice. Oh yeah, it's too large, but I have ordered the medium size, but it's too large, man. So I don't know why, but it's too warm. In winter it's very good. I have ordered it about just rupees 876.63. This is the price, actual price. So this is the unboxing, and I have ordered the red fish fleece, a red fish eye lens, and this, yeah, what's inside? Yeah, there is fish eye lens. Oh yeah, sure. I'm just let's open it. Oh yeah, there is lens. Oh yeah, there is lens. This is fish eye lens. This is fish eye lens, and here is the cover slip of this lens, and yeah, it's the bag or cleaner. And what is this? Oh yeah, here is this micro lens and macro lens. Here is the wide angle view and macro lens. Oh yeah, it's the unboxing. Let's thank you. This is me, Avesha. So this was the first unboxing of the things I have ordered from daraz, Nepal. So the service is really quite good. And inside Bali I have ordered 3 days ago, and it's finally it has been delivered to me after 2 days. So watch this video. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe it. Thank you.